Imagine you could look at a simple chart and predict what traits a child might inherit. That's exactly what Mendelian genetics helps us do. Let's start with the basics. Inside your cells are genes. Think of genes as little instruction cards. Each gene can come in different versions, called alleles. You get one allele from your mom and one from your dad for each gene. Together, those two alleles decide a trait, like eye color, dimples, or even pea plant flower color. Some alleles are dominant, others are recessive. A dominant allele is like a loud voice. If it's there, it usually shows up in the trait. We often write dominant alleles with a capital letter, like A. A recessive allele is the quiet voice. It only shows up if both alleles are recessive. We write those with a lowercase letter, like A. So what happens when we combine them? If someone has AA, that's two dominant alleles. The dominant trait appears. If someone has AA, that's two recessive alleles. The recessive trait appears. If someone has AA, one dominant and one recessive, the dominant trait appears, but they still carry the recessive one. Now, how do we predict what children might inherit? That's where the Punnett square comes in. It's a simple box that helps us see all the possible combinations of alleles from two parents. Picture a square divided into 4 smaller boxes. On the top, we write one parent's 2 alleles. On the side, we write the other parent's 2 alleles. Then we fill in the boxes by combining one from the top and one from the side. For example, let's say both parents are AA. Each child's square can be top left, AA, top right, AA, bottom left, AA, bottom right, AA. So what does that mean? There's a 1 in 4 chance, or 25%, of AA, a 2 in 4 chance, or 50%, of AA or AA, and a 1 in 4 chance of AA. If A is dominant, most children will show the dominant trait, but some may show the recessive trait if they get AA. That's the power of Punnett squares. They don't predict exactly what will happen, but they show what's possible and how likely each result is. If you want to turn ideas like this into your own clear, animated explainer videos, head over to vidfactory.ai and start creating effortlessly.